All right, everybody. This is Dr. Rakesh Shah from Atlanta, Georgia. You might think that why he is laughing. Well, I'm laughing for no reason, and that is called laughter yoga. And I'm going to make you laugh today for no reason. We don't need a jokes or comedy or humor, anything to laugh. We laugh at will. Now, why do we do that? Because see, our brain does not know the difference between the real laughter and volunteer laughter, where we induce the laughter with exercises today. Let me just mute everybody. So our brain doesn't know the difference between the real laughter and an induced laughter. We get the same health benefit, and me being a doctor, that's my whole focus is health through the laughter. And why we call it the laughter yoga is because we combine the benefit of laughter with yoga. Okay, the laughter is the best medicine. Everybody knows about it, and we combine the breathing in this laughter exercises. Plus, we are going to have a little bit of dance also. So the dance, laugh, sing, and play. We are going to combine everything so that we can get the maximum health benefit. And this laughter yoga, we're going to start with some childlike activities, not childish but childlike activities, and then eventually it turns into a real laughter. It may look like a fake laughter to begin with, but eventually you will get to a point where you should be able to laugh freely. It was started by Dr. Madan Kataria in Mumbai in 1995 with just 5 people in a park, and right now it is in 100 plus countries around the globe. So it has spread everywhere. So everybody is getting benefit out of it, and there are almost 20,000 plus laughter club all over the world. And now with the Zoom, they're popping left, right, and center. People are just getting onto the bandwagon, and they're just getting a lot of benefit. So that's just in nutshell about laughter yoga. So now we're going to start, and as we go along, I'm going to talk a little bit about the laughter yoga and benefits and other stuff. But let's get going with the laughter exercises. So I have muted everybody. If you think that you are in the quiet environment, you are welcome to go ahead and unmute yourself. But if I hear any lot of background noise, I will keep muting everybody. But then you can unmute yourself. So the first exercise that we're going to do today, it is called fake it until you make it. Okay. Now most of you have never laughed before at will, at command or demand. So this may be unusual for you to laugh for no reason. So we're going to ease into it with the laughter exercise called fake it. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and then you can do it with me. Okay, because everybody is on mute, you may not hear everybody, but you can see it on the gallery view that people are laughing. We almost have 40 people now, 38 people. So the fake it until you make it. Okay, so this is how you do it. You can use any vowel sound, anything to make a fake laughter. Okay. So let's everybody do a fake laughter. Okay, so here we go. One, two, three. Let's do the fake laughter. You can unmute yourself if you want to. Yeah. So that was fake laughter, and with every few laughters, I will do like this. Very good, very good, yay! Very good, very good, yay! Now this is like a child-like activities, like a small kid when when we want to play with them. This is what we do because children laugh at the physical level. They don't think that this thing is a humorous or not. They just laugh because they are in the action mode. So every few exercises, we will be doing this very good, yay. Plus, when we do this, yay, that is like a child cheers, but at the same time, this is a victory posture too. So our brain basically doesn't know what comes first, emotion or motion. You will have the same benefit. So when you are in this posture, automatically your brain thinks that you feel victorious, so it elevates your mood. So that will be the next one. Now the other thing is, we're going to do the shy laughter, because some of you may be shy laughing. So we're going to start with that. So we fake the laughter. Now we're going to be shy, like a peekaboo, like a small kid. What they do, like this. So let's do the shy laughter, okay? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. So that was the shy laughter that we did. Now, in this COVID time, people don't like to shake hand. So like, I'm from originally from India. So when we meet people, we greet them with namaste. Okay. So namaste is we join both the hands, and then we do like this, right? That is called namaste. So we bow down our head and we join our hand. But we are going to add laughter to this. Okay. So let's do it. So that was the namaste laughter. Now you all are here, almost close to 50 people are here on this beautiful Sunday. So let's give everybody a round of applause. So this is a round and this is applause. Okay, so let's give everybody a round of applause. Very good. Very good. Yay! Very good. Very good. Yay! Now, you might say that, well, laughter and yoga. So where is yoga? Well, that is the next thing coming up. It's a breathing exercise. So we are going to do inhalation and exhalation. There is nothing fancy about it. So just extend your arm, then inhale. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Wait again. Now, there is a science in it, because see, when we breathe normally, we breathe just around 500 ml of the oxygen, which is called tidal volume. But when we do the force inhalation, like we are breathing that extra oxygen, that is called inspiratory reserve volume. So that extra oxygen goes in, and when we exhale, that is where the extra carbon dioxide comes out of your lung. So you get more oxygen and you exhale more carbon dioxide. So laughter yoga is laughter with the yogic breathing. So that was a breathing exercise. Now you might ask that why do I need a laughter yoga? Why can't I just watch a Tom and Jerry movie or any comedy show? Yeah, you can do it, and I still do it. But the reason, one of the reasons we do this laughter yoga is because to get the health benefit of the laughter yoga, the laughter has to be sustained. You know, right? Today we will laugh almost for an hour. So the laughter has to be sustained, but in the laughter that you get through the jokes or comedy, the laughter is only short lived. It doesn't last more than few seconds or maybe few 30 seconds or so. While here it's like you normally breathe, right? But when you do yoga and pranayam, that is an exercise, right? So same thing, you normally laugh, but in this laughter yoga session, you, it's like a gym for you. So you're exercising the laughter. So you can have as long as you want. The laughter can be 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, as long as you want. So that is one of the main reasons that we do the laughter yoga. I'm going to cover a lot more reasons why we do the laughter yoga. But since this is a COVID time, and everybody has a lot of junk coming into the mind through the social media and conversation with people, and just fear. So our brain is cluttered with a lot of negative information. So now we are going to do the whole body cleaning with the laughter. Okay, so I'm going to show you. First thing we are going to do now, some of you who have attended my session before, there are some exercises that I'm going to show you today that you have seen before, but then there will be some exercises that are going to be new. So you're going to find a lot of new things in this session. So just hang tight. If you think that this is, you already seen it, just you are going to see some new stuff. So the next group of the exercise that I'm going to show you, it is basically called body cleansing. So we're going to, like, you know, if you have stuff in your teeth, you do the dental floss, right? You just floss teeth here every day. You're supposed to live longer if you floss your teeth every single day. So now we are going to do the similar thing for your brain. So that is called mental floss. So we're going to do the mental floss. So now everybody take an imaginary floss and hold tight, and I'm going to put it in the gallery view. So you can all, those who are have their video off, I would recommend that you turn your videos on so everybody can see each other, unless you don't want it to be recorded, because I am recording this session. So let's take a mental floss and start cleaning our brain, okay? Let's do it another way. So now you clean your brain, but sometimes you know, like a tooth, you may clean it, but still there is some stuff left. So you go to dentist and they do the real deep cleaning of the brain. Sorry, the teeth. So now we have cleaned our brain, got rid of all the corona junk and other stuff in our brain, all the fear. So we are going to still have some junk left in the brain. So we're going to do the brain wash. So today I'm going to do the show you how to do your brain wash. So take a uh, uh, hand like this, open your brain, okay, open your skull, okay, then open sideways, okay, and then take your brain out, put it in here, and start washing it. Now, some of you have a big brain, so you can have a big brain and wash it like this. So now your brain is clean. So let's take a brain and put it back in, because if you don't put it back in, how are you going to go to the next exercise, right? So brain is back in, and let make sure you close it, okay? So close your brain skull, and now your brain is clean. So next comes what? Your heart. Your heart has to be also clean. So let's get a heart out. Okay. I got my heart out, and put it in the hand and start cleaning your heart. Like brain, some of you have a big heart. You are very nice, kind, and generous. So your heart may be too big, okay? So your heart is clean. So let's put your heart back in the place, okay? So my brain is clean, heart is clean. Now there are two more organs left, which does the cleaning part of the body. So the next one is liver. The liver is on the right side, okay? So liver gets rid of a lot of toxins and liver produces a lot of stuff. So we need to make sure the liver is clean. So let's get the liver out and put it in the hand and start cleaning the liver. Liver actually is very big organ, so you have to clean like this. So let's put the liver back in the place, okay? Now we're going to get the kidneys out. There are two kidneys, one on the right, one on the left. So let's get the right kidney out, okay? I put it in the hand and kidneys are small, so so let's put the right kidney back in. Now let's get the next left kidney, okay? So get the left kidney out and start cleaning it. So kidney is clean. Let us put it back in. So now we have a very clean body. We got brain clean, heart clean, liver clean, and kidney clean. So now, very good, very good. Yay! So one more thing about laughter yoga, that why do we need laughter yoga? Obviously, in the laughter yoga, we get the sustained laughter. The other thing is the deep laughter. Because think about it, when was the last time you laughed like this? When was it? When was the last time you laughed like that? Very rarely, especially in this COVID time, people have forgotten to laugh. So this laughter yoga gives us a chance to laugh deep from the belly laughter. Okay. So the belly laughter, why belly laughter? Because when you laugh from the belly, it contracts your intercostal muscles here and it contracts your diaphragm. So when the diaphragm contracts, it stimulates the parasympathetic system. Like there are two systems in the body, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic system is like a flight and fight response. Like if a dog is running behind you, you start running, ah, right? That is a stress situation. While the parasympathetic is mainly to relax and digest. So when you are lying on the beach after eating a nice pineapple or whatever you like, that is time your parasympathetic system is activated. So you don't have to go to beach to go catch your parasympathetic nervous system activated. You can have a big hearty laughter. So let's laugh, hearty laughter. So that hearty laughter basically stimulates your parasympathetic nerves through diaphragm. It helps you empty the carbon dioxide from the lungs. So that is the benefit of laughter yoga, where you are able to laugh deep. Okay. So since we are talking about the breathing part, and we all know that COVID-19 affects the lung mainly. So we are going to do some breathing exercises with laughter. Okay. So we're going to repeat the first one that we already did. That is inhalation and exhalation. So let's do it. Okay. Extend your arm, then inhale, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Let's do it one more time. Wait again. So that was the first part of the breathing exercise. The second one is the right lobe of the right lung has the three lobes and left has the two lobes. So we are going to do the lung exercise, the laughter exercise for different part of the lung lobes, like the upper part of the lungs, it doesn't get good oxygen. So the TB actually happens in the upper lobes of the lung. A lot of infection can happen in here. So we're going to do this laughter exercise for the upper lobe of the lung. So take your hand in the back and start laughing. So that was the laughter exercise for the upper lobe. Now for the middle lobe, we just go in the namaste pose and just elevate your arms up and just keep laughing. So these are the simple exercises, but it really helps your lungs. Then the third one is lower lobe. So just like we did the first laughter exercise, inhalation is like that. We do like this, but in the exhalation, we do the lion pose. Okay. So let's do the inhalation. Hold it, hold it, hold it, and exhalation. This lion laughter or the lion exhalation, it is the best thing that you can do for your lung and to get the carbon dioxide out of your lung, and also for the thyroid, because when you do that your thyroid gets massaged. So that is a very good thing for you to do. So now we're going to do that hearty laughter one more time that I showed you earlier. So that will stimulate your parasympathetic nervous system, that it will stimulate your diaphragm. So let's do the hearty laughter. Okay, 1 2 3. Very good, very good, yay, very good, very good, yay. Now the third reason we do the laughter yoga is because the laughter has to be unintentional. Because for you to laugh from the jokes, humor, or comedy, you need somebody to tell a joke, or you need to read a joke, or something like that, or watch a movie. So it depends on somebody else. Now, in this COVID time, if you depend on somebody or something to make you laugh, you're going to probably wait for a long time before you can laugh. While here in the laughter yoga, like when I'm in the shower or when I'm driving, I just laugh for no reason. I don't need anybody to make me laugh. Yeah, if I hear a good joke or a comedy, I do laugh. So that is an additional benefit that I have. But my basic health need for laughter to get the health benefit, I take care of it at my will. So that is another reason that why we need a laughter yoga. So first one was laughter has to be sustained. Laughter has to be, the second one was laughter has to be deep. And the third one, that laughter has to be unintentional. So that is why we all need laughter yoga. So now we're going to move on to some of the next exercises. So the next one is the problems. Like right now, a lot of people, a lot of tension. So a lot of problems around. A lot of people don't have jobs and things like that. So yes, agree that there is a problem, but this too shall pass. Nothing stays forever. It's going to change in few months, and people will be back to normal. But until then, how we laugh it out, the problems that we have. So we're going to, like, if the problems are stuck to you, so we're going to shake it off. Okay, so let's start shaking our problems off. Okay. See, I don't have much hair, so problem doesn't stick in my hair. So That was, we shook off the problem. Okay. Now we don't want a problem in the life, but if problems are going to come anyway, we're going to invite them with a happy face. You can say, you know what, come on in. Okay. Now we don't expect the problem, so it's not like we are preparing the ground for it, because we're going to do something with the problem. Okay, so we're going to make a juice of the problem and we're going to throw that away. Okay, so when the problem comes, everything goes in the brain, right? So problem, when it comes, you just start collecting the problem like this. And then, okay, you put that problem in your ear inside. Okay, and then just seal it and then start making a juice out of it. And then throw the juice away. So that was problem. Now we're going to do some of the brain gym exercises, because this laughter yoga is for everybody, starting from kids to young adult, to school children, to people of my age, to older people, to anybody can do it. So I'm going to cover the laughter exercises for everybody, and this brain gym exercises actually is good for everybody. Why? Because it keeps your brain sharp, and the Alzheimer's can be delayed, because our left brain and right brain, if you continuously keep it synchronized, then you delay the Alzheimer. So the first brain exercise is very simple. You probably know it and you have already done it. So what you do is, first just tap your head like this. Okay, so start doing it. And then with your other hand, start rubbing your tummy. Okay, so this is tapping up and down, and this one is the circular movement. Okay, so this is where your brain is going to get a lot of exercise. Now reverse. Now change the hand. Okay, so left hand up and down. Now circular. So if you keep doing it, the coordination between your left brain and the right brain will keep increasing. So we're going to do the another brain gym exercise. So basically you are going to touch your nose, like pinch your nose with the left hand here, and the right hand goes above and touches your left ear. Okay, so the opposite end goes around and touch this way. Okay, so like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. So do it with me. Okay, ho, ho, ha, ha. 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 And don't worry if you make any mistake, because we are going to laugh anyway, right? So let's do it. So that was another brain gym exercise. So now the next one is one more of brain gym exercise. So you do like this, just show 5 finger and 2 finger. Okay, so then point 2 finger to the 5 finger. Then switch the arm and then do the 5 on this and 2 on this. Do it fast. You are going to make some mistake in between, but that is where you start training your brain to remember that it's going to be 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, so then you can quit switching. 5, 2, 2, 5, 5, 2, 2, 5. So any combination you can keep doing it, and the more you trick your brain, more your brain will get powerful, so that you don't get dementia. And since we are talking about kids, I'm going to show you a couple more exercises that kids love it. And even I love it too. You know, it's a great. So the first thing is I'm going to show you an amazing magic. You're going to love this magic because you probably have never seen this magic, and nobody can do this magic except me. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, uh, just hold your two fingers like this, bring it together. One second. A, A, A. See magic? A, A, A. So let's everybody do this amazing magic that nobody can do it, but only you can do it, okay? A, A, A. A, A, A. One more time, I'm going to go one more step further, okay? A, A, A. So that is the magic. And now the next laughter, the kids love it and I love it too, is called milkshake laughter. You know, like you can call it lassi laughter or milkshake laughter, or you can even call cocktail laughter. So in good old days, when people did not have a mixture or blender, they used to mix the liquid, like pouring from one hand to other hand. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. So hold two imaginary glasses in your hand. One glass is empty, the other glass is full, and start pouring from one glass to another glass. Okay, so let's say a a a. Let's do it. A, A, A. Now, you might say, well, I'm lactose intolerant. I don't like milk, or I can't tolerate the milk. That's okay. You don't have to drink it. You can just throw it away. So you can still mix it. Let's do it. A, A, A. Again. A, A, A. So that was some of the kids' laughter that everybody loves it. Now, what are the benefits of Lassi? Why in the world we are here almost 50 people on a beautiful Sunday? Why we are on the Zoom doing this laughter exercises? Because just look at yourself. I'm going to mute everybody. If somebody wants to mute themselves, please go ahead and unmute yourself. Uh, so you must have realized that we have been on for almost 30 minutes now, and you already are feeling great, because see, laughter is an instant mood elevator. The moment you laugh, you feel great. No matter what's happening around you, you feel great. So when you feel great, people around you feel great about you, and that makes your life very fun and easy to live. So that is one of the main benefit of the laughter yoga, that it instantly makes you feel great. And then what happens is that your body starts secreting the hormones called feel good hormones. Now, what are the feel good hormones in the body? The endorphins, the oxytocins, the dopamine. and the serotonin. These are the hormones that your body starts secreting. So you feel great, your stress goes down. Now in our body, as I told you earlier, that when we are in the stressful situation, our body secretes the stress hormone called epinephrine, norepinephrine, and steroid hormones. So those hormones are needed when there is a really dangerous situation. But what happened that in millions of years ago, when we were in the caves, those hormones were required for us to survive. But in this modern time, sometimes we don't have a real stress. It's just a perceived stress that makes that level of the stress hormone very high in our body. So the laughter brings those stress hormone down, and it also increases your feel good hormone up. So when your those feel good hormone goes up, you basically start becoming more and more healthy because your immunity starts improving. So, I'm an ER doctor. I work in the ER and always around people with the COVID. And this has been going on for more than 6 months. What is this, September? So, yeah, almost 9 months now. But touch wood, nothing has happened to me. I'm not saying that the laughter is the only reason for it, but one of the reasons I think is because my immunity is getting stronger and stronger because of the laughter yoga. So these are the some of the benefits. I'll talk more benefits as we go along. But now we are going to move on to another funny laughter that everybody loves it, and that is called zipper laughter. So what we're going to do is we're going to laugh when we open, like imagine that there is a zipper on your mouth. Okay, so every time you open the zipper, you laugh, and when you close, you stop laughing. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. And sometimes the zipper can get stuck. Okay, so like I'm opening the zipper, I'm trying to close it. So let's everybody do the zipper laughter. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So similarly, you can imagine a vertical zipper in front of your face. Okay, so every time you open the zipper, you start laughing. So let's do the vertical zipper laughter. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So that was the zipper laughter. Now the next one is banana laughter. Banana can be 10:39. So banana laughter. Just imagine three types of banana in your hand. So we're going to take a regular banana first. Okay, we're going to eat the banana. So take a banana in your hand and start peeling the banana. A, 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 a. Let's do it again. A, 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 A. Again. A, 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 A. So that was the regular banana. Then there's a big banana, okay? Like big banana. So A, 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 A. Again, big banana. A, 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 A. And then there is a tiny banana. A, 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 A. Let's do it. Tiny banana. A, 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 A. So now, when you laugh, your body produces natural killer cells, NK cells plus T cells and B cells. So those are the cells which are the bodyguard of our body. So when any virus is COVID or anybody comes, they basically go and kill those viruses. So the next we're going to do is called immunity laughter exercise. So how do we do it? It's very simple. Like here we have a thymus gland. So thymus is basically the factory to produce the T lymphocytes, right? So the lymphocytes are matured there. So we are going to awaken our thymus gland by tapping. You know, the tapping system is already, you can go and Google the tapping therapy like this. So we're going to use the tapping therapy, but add laughter to it. So let's start doing the thymus tap, okay? So we are awakening our thymus gland. Now, when we awaken the thymus gland, the other lymph nodes will feel bad. Say, what about me? Why not me? So let's awaken the other lymph nodes also. You can go to Google and look up the lymphatic system, which is basically the defense system of our body. So the nature has put the lymph node in a strategic place. So we are going to start tapping those lymph nodes. So let's start with the one in axilla. Then there are lymph nodes around the neck. So let's start tapping the lymph node around the ears and the neck. Then spleen is the biggest lymphoid organ. So, but make sure you don't tap too heavily, because sometimes if you tap too heavily, spleen actually can rupture. So just gently. Then in the groin. So you basically awaken your immune system. So now we're going to do some COVID-19 exercises, and then I'm going to show you some steps of the Bollywood laughter dance, and then we're going to do the Bollywood laughter dance for a few minutes, and then we will conclude the session. It's 10:43, so we got around 15 minutes left. So the COVID-19, just few exercises, like in the right now everybody wants to wash their hands, right? So we just made an exercise out of that. So let's take hand soap and water and start washing our hand, okay? uh, let's do it. One, two, three. In the medical practice also, when we wash hand, we go this way, because that way you move the bacteria away from the contact surface. Plus the other thing is your lymphatic system, it goes this way. It doesn't go this way, it goes this way. So when you wash your hand and massage yourself along with it, basically you are activating your lymphatic system also. So let's do the hand sanitizer laughter one more time. So now your hands are washed, but if somebody wants to shake hand with you, right now you don't want to do that, right? Because you're afraid you're going to get COVID. So you're going to get electric current, okay? So if somebody wants to shake hand with you, like I'm trying to shake hand with you, you do it. Electric shock. Again. You got the electric shock. And now you can say, well, social distancing, right? It's gradually melting away. I'm sure in few months there won't be any social distancing. Everybody will forget about it. But for now, at least we have to maintain the social distancing. So if somebody comes close to you, what you say? So that was social distancing. And one last for the COVID-19 is the temperature. So when you take your temperature, okay, just put your gun here and then because see, every day I go to hospital, the nurse will check my temperature and then only I enter the hospital. Because if I have a fever, that means I cannot work that day. So every day I see my temperature report, I say, I mean, I don't do it in front of the nurse, but inside, okay, let's do it. My temperature is normal. So that was the COVID-19 exercise. We have a lot many exercises, but because of the time constraint, I won't be covering each and every one of them. So if anybody wants to get more information about it, I'm going to launch a poll. You can start filling out the poll. But meanwhile, you should be able to see the poll on your screen. So if you don't mind filling it out, uh, the one more benefit of the laughter yoga is that it is the greatest social connector. Like so many people I got connected because of this laughter yoga that I would have never known them before. And people like to hang out with people who laugh and have fun. Nobody wants to hang out long with the griping people. Once in a while is okay, but if somebody is not having fun in the life, people don't want to hang out with that person. So that is another benefit. And then the other benefit is, see, if you learn to laugh at will during good time, you can laugh during the bad time. And the bad time, it comes, life is like this, up and down, up and down, up and down, right? So if you are not having a bad time, wait, you are going to have a bad time eventually. So this laughter yoga helps you build that laughter capacity. It builds your laughter muscle. Actually, if you keep laughing long enough, you will install the laughter on your face, because this muscle you exercise all the time and it becomes a laughter face. So then mind also same way will be able to find a creative solution for your problem, because you learn to laugh. So that's in nutshell the benefits of the laughter yoga. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the Bollywood dance, because as you must have seen in my post that the celebration of life includes four main pillars, which is laugh, dance, sing, and play. So we figured out how to laugh, and then we're going to do some dancing. It's not a fancy dancing; it is a very simple dancing, and there is some singing involved, but you don't need to have a singing background for it. It's like ho ho ha kind of a thing. So I'm going to show you some of the steps. So when I play the music, you dance with me, and it's very easy to dance. Like first music will come do 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 do. So I'll be doing like this, okay, both the sides. That is the first step. Then I'll be doing like this, waves with one hand on my ear and then other hand on my other hand like a wave. And then the next step will come, like I'll be doing like this as if I'm pulling something from the ceiling. Okay, so this is exercise with laughter and the singing and dancing and playing. So I'll be pulling that, and then I'll be doing a gesture like this, like you can call it the scissors, like you just cutting something, scissors. So that is what I'm doing. Then I'll be doing like this, like I'm changing the bulb, okay, like this. And then I'll be doing the same thing. And then some of the exercise I'll be doing like this, okay. And then I'll be doing clapping, 3 times clapping, or I'll be doing like this, okay. Then this will be a sign to change the step, like I'll ho ho ha ha ha, yay, ho ho ha ha ha, yay. So I'll be doing like that. Then I'll be also doing very good, very good, ha 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 ha, very good, very good, ha 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 ha. Then I'll be doing like this also. Oh ho ha ha ho ho ha. Then I'll be doing like this. Okay, like open my arms and close my arms. So very simple step. You don't have to worry much about, oh, how am I going to do it and all those stuff. Okay, so I'm going to start the laughter yoga music now. But before that, we're going to do a 1 minute laughter. Okay, now just think about it. When was the last time you laughed continuously for 1 minute? Probably not. Okay, so just we're going to laugh, no exercise, no movement, nothing, just simple laughter. Okay, so I'm going to count 1 2 3 and you can start laughing. Okay, just simple laughter, nothing. So that was just a 1 minute laughter. I'm going to mute everybody. If you want to unmute yourself, you can do that. So now we're going to start with the Bollywood dance just for a few minutes. So that will give you a glimpse of how you can incorporate laughter into your life. So are you ready?
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Laughter Yoga Dance. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
मजा जोरदार.
ha ha, ho ho, ha 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 ha ha, ha 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 ha, yay! Ha 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 ha, yay! Ha 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 ha, yay!
Very good, very good,
Ha 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 ha,
very good, very good,
ha 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 ha,
very good, very good,
ha 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 ha,
very good, very good.
ha 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 ha, yay! Ha 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 ha, yay! Ha 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 ha, yay! Ha 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 ha, ha 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 ha. All right, everybody. I had a great time sharing this introduction to laughter yoga with everybody, and I'm sure you all enjoyed it. And if you want to stay connected with me, you can email me at rakeshshahmd@gmail.com, and then I will add you to the group that I have created on WhatsApp, where I post all the information. And obviously, you can connect with me on the Facebook on facebook.com/rakeshshahmd. All right, guys. Have a good day, good night, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are.
Sorry, what time actually you start, huh? Because just I'm mistaken. I thought you just what time is your 8:30 p.m.
Yeah, 8:30 p.m. India time.
India.
It was 8:30 p.m. India time, but it's
Malaysia is 2 hours, 2.5 hours
yeah.
difference.
I guess maybe next time you can join Moy. This time I guess you missed it, but I'm glad you are here.
Yeah.
So hope to see you next time, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We enjoyed a lot.
2.5
All
hours
right.
difference.
Okay. Wow. We
So
got
much.
what?
Thank you so much, Dr.
Okay,
Saab.
bye
you.
bye.
Thank you.
Very
Thank
enjoyed
you.
very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
All
much,
right,
Doctor. It
everybody.
was wonderful experience. Thank you so much.
We'll see you next time.
Wonderful
Okay. Bye
experience.
bye.
Okay,
Yes, definitely we will.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
bye.
Bye bye.
Yes.
Take care.
Okay. Sure.
Mhm.
All right.
So.